This conference will now be recorded.
So next we are going to see print option. Okay, so one of the important option we can say how to print a document. So first I'll take our book. I'll take three sheets. One, two, three. So in first sheet I take some record. So how I want the record? First only I will tell you. I want like it fits like two pages. Each and every page around 2 pages of records I want. I'm going to take that and I'm going to work on print. So for that, in this first sheet, I'll take some random numbers. So select that, drag. Can you see the grid line? So which shows me that up to here, one page, and here 2 pages I've taken. Next page, sheet two. Again, I don't know how much will come for first one page and second page. For 2 pages, I'll go to page layout. I'll come back to normal view. So again here I'll type Sunday and I'll take the text like this. Month, for 2 months. So now in sheet 1, 2 pages, sheet 2, 2 pages of record, sheet 3, 2 pages of records we are having. So totally 6 pages, 3 sheets. Now the shortcut key for print. Everyone can take a note of this in your notebook or take a screenshot of the notes. Shortcut key for one second. Hmm? Okay. So control P, I think for print. I'm keeping that in the notes. Hope can you see that? Control C for print and control plus F2. That is for print review. Okay. I uploaded that into the notes. So now here control P I'll press, that is for print. So left side first we will see heading is print in the bottom. When you click on that print, the sheets will be started to print, and copies, how many number of copies you want to take a printout. So one or two or like that, you can give number of printouts you want. Okay, and in this bottom you can give which printer. That means you can choose which printer you want to give printout. Why? Because in my company or in any other places there might be 2 to 3 printers. Okay, to connected on the network through the network or directly. So when it is connected like that, how will you take printout? So you need to see the printer name and you need to choose the printer. And Keep one thing on your mind. The printer what you're selecting, it should show you the note as ready. Ready means it is connected and it is in the state of ready to take your printout. And what if it is green color tick mark means that is default printer. The printer has set it as default printer. So green tick mark says that is the default printer, and ready it says that the printer is in on and it is connected to the computer so it can take the printout. So choose the printer which you want, choose through which printer you want to take the sheets of printout. So next on the settings. So what is the option is there here? Print active sheets. Print active sheets. That means actively which sheet I selected right now? Sheet number 3. So when I go here, active sheet means which sheet I have clicked here. That means I have selected here. I have selected here sheet number 3. So if I go here, active sheet is that sheet number 3, which is about month. It is showing in that sheet how many pages are there? 2 pages are there. Clear? So page 1 and page 2. And next, print entire workbook. So print entire workbook means all 3 sheets. So that's each sheet is having how many pages? 2 pages. So 3 sheets, totally 6 pages we have designed, but there it is showing 7. So we need to see what is the issue here. Come here, the last 7th page. Somewhere it has come to 3 pages, I think. Because, yeah, here. See here, just for the one word or 1 page. Clear? So we will remove it. Just a minute, 1 minute. A sec. Yeah. So we'll remove that. I'll go back. I'll remove one row in all the sheets. Here also I'll remove. Here also I'll remove. Here also I'll right click and I'll delete one column. So again control P. Now 6, 5, 5 and 6. Yeah, exactly. Now 6 pages are there. Now print entire workbook means all the pages. That means all the sheets. Entire workbook will be taken for the printout. Which one? The second option. One is active sheet. Which sheet I have clicked? That sheet. And one more is entire workbook. All the sheets will be taken for the printout. And the third option is print selection. Go back. I have selected like this. How much I have selected? I want to print only that much. Clear? Once again. Yes, sorry. Okay, so I had some messages saying that. Okay, tell me that notes what I'm writing. All of you can see that, right? Is that visible for you? You can see the notes.
No, sir.
Yeah, the shortcut keys. No. Okay.
No,
So I thought
sir.
it will be shared for you. Okay. No issue. No, okay. I'll return the notes on here. Okay. I'll just put the messages here. The shortcut key. Somebody have given the correct message. Control V for print and Control plus F2 for print preview. This Control P for print. So I am loading that in the notes also. In the recordings you'll get. And Control plus F2 is for print preview. Okay. So I drop that on the chat box. So now what I'm doing, I'm just selecting only this much. Click on file, go for print. Choose the option called as print selection. So that means only selected portion will be printed. Only selected portion. See here how much I'm selecting. If I select on the second sheet, only this much if I select, Control P, only the selected portion will be taken for the printout, that is print selection. Okay. After that, pages, the range. So if it is a MS Word, we can have a set of range 1 to 10, and then again 2 to 4 or 5 comma 7 comma 10 like that and all you can have. So if it is a MS Word or like that, so you will be having the option to enter and page range like this. So 1 to 10 comma 15th page, 18th page comma 19th page like this. Okay, but in Excel you can enter only one range. Okay, for example, I'll just raise you a question. Here, I want to take only the fifth page printout. How will you take the fifth page printout? So just drop the message. How will you take? Here six pages are there. How will you take only the sixth page printout?
1 to 6.
1 to 6, 6 to 6. I think I asked fifth question, right? Okay, no issues. Page number 5 or 6. 6 correct. 6 to 6. So why means, for example, if I am taking the second page, I need to give 2 to 2. If I'm not giving 2 to 2, if I gave 2 here and if I left on the right side empty, from the second page, everything will be taken for the printout. Done? 2 to 2. If not, automatically from the second page up to the sixth page, everything will be taken for the printout. That's why we need to give 2 to 2 or 2 to 6. Like this, you need to enter the range. And next, in the bottom, see the number collated and uncollated. So what this number says for you, what you are getting understanding by seeing that number? I just tell you. So for example, if I have a resume, if I have a resume and the resume is about how many pages? Three pages will take. Okay, 3 pages means I want to take a printout about 3 copies. So I'll just show you. See here, I have a resume. Okay, the resume is about 3 pages. So here I have these numbers, right? So while I'm taking printout, the resume is about how many pages? I said 3 pages, right? So I want how many copies? 3 copies. So if I give one time print, first page, second page, third page will come. Again one more copy, first page, second page, third page will come. Again one more copy, first page, second page, third page will come. That is called collated. And then if I give uncollated, first page will come off 3 times and second page, only the second page will come separately 3 times and third page will come separately 3 times. Clear? I have a resume. The resume is about 3 pages and I want 3 copies. First page, if I say collated means first page, second page, third page, 1 copy. Again first, second, third, one more copy. Again first, second, third, one more copy. That is collated. Uncollated means first page will come 3 times, second page will come 3 times, and third page will come 3 times. That is uncollated. Any doubts in this? Anyone not understanding this? What is that?
Understood, sir.
Understood? Okay. So now, so example, whenever you're taking a printout of resume, you're going with this method only. So where this uncollated can be used. For example, I'll show you. There is a class, okay, A section and B section and C section. 3 sections are there. Okay, I have one MS Word. I've taken a MS Word document. In first page, A section question paper. Second page, B section. Third page, C section question paper is there. I want in each section 50 members are there. If this time, in this case, you need to use uncollated. Why? Because if you use collated, A, B, C, that means section A, section B, section C. Like that, it will come off. Again, you need to sit and separate. But if you use uncollated, A section 50 copies will come separately. B, that is second page, that will come separately 50 copies, and C will come separately 50 copies. So in this particular case, we'll be using uncollated options. Clear? And then page orientation. There are two orientations. One is portrait and landscape. Portrait means keeping the sheet vertical and landscape means keeping the sheet horizontal. Clear? And then paper sizes. These are paper sizes. What sheet or what paper you're going to use for printout. Whether you're going to use A4 or A5. So that you can choose it here. Done. So I'll just choose A4. And then margins. Basically, what are the sides? Margins can be applied means margins can be applied on all the four sides: top, left, right, and bottom. I'll just click on custom margin. So top margin, bottom margin, left margin, right margin. Then top of the margin is called as header. Bottom of the margin is called as footer. Top of the margin, header, bottom of the margin, footer. So now if you want to increase, you can just increase by the arrow mark or you can just type. So now you see in the bottom, there is something option called as center on the page. So what does that means? First, I'll take selection, print selection. I want to print only this much area. See, only that much area by default, it is getting printed in the top left corner of the sheet, which takes by default. Now what I wanted here, I want that to be printed in the middle of the sheet. This content I want to be printed in the middle of the sheet. So what I will do, I just go for margins, custom margin, center on the page horizontally and center on the page vertically. Click on. So now the content will be take print out on the middle of the sheet. Again, if I'll go custom margins and if I remove that, it will go off. Then now next scaling. First option is nothing but called as no scaling. Print sheets at their actual size. Sheet in the sheet, one cell may be big, small like this, but however it is there, let it take at their actual sizes. It has to take at what? The actual size. Now control P, I'll take active sheet, the option, so that 4 pages are coming here as of now. No scaling. So print actual size means, so one sheet if I take print active sheet. So active sheet, I don't want this sheet, I'll go for first sheet or third sheet because that is coming 4 pages. Print 2 pages, yeah. So no scale, actual size it will be taken, no compress, no increase, nothing will be happened. Now next option, fit sheet on one page. The entire sheet will be fitted on one page. The entire sheet will be fitted on one page. Page 1, page 2, entire sheet will be fitted. So 2 pages, it is fitting in 1 page. So you can just note here. Then fit all columns on one page. Column means vertical, right? So every columns will be compressed to fit in one sheet. So it will not think about rows and all. The concept is all the columns has to be fitted in one sheet. That's it. Next, all fit all the rows on one page. In one page, all the rows, how many ever rows it is there, it has to be compressed and fit it in one sheet. But the issue here, the what is the issue here means the size will be very small. You cannot do anything for that. When you say fit means it will be get fitted. That's it. So here all the rows are fitted in one page, and you can see like this. Then now next, is there any doubt in the print options?
Sir, that grid lines came, no, sir, when we were printing, how do that come? Grid lines.
While printing the grid lines you wanted, huh? Okay, good. So raise the questions like this. It will be interesting. Okay, I go to page layout. Okay, once you go to the page layout on Excel, go to page layout. You see here you'll be having sheet options. On this grid lines will be there. Just grid line has been enabled for view, but not for print. Tick on print. So now you go for print. You can see the grid lines. Where under the page layout, under sheet options, I want grid lines to be printed. So by default, it will be not enabled. Only view will be enabled. Print will not be enabled. So you just enable the option. So directly you can see.
Okay, sir.
So others have any doubts or any questions? Not only doubt. Okay. Next we'll go share option. We can share this to cloud. You can share this to cloud, so or Outlook or OneDrive, anywhere. Okay, let's copy this notes and put it in the notes. Share with people, to the cloud, to the email, and you can send as a PDF for others. So just email means enter the mail ID as an attachment. You can send this file, and then click on file, go to export. So this is over, right? Okay. Share is over. Export also same. You can convert your Excel file into any other file format. You can convert your Excel file as PDF, okay, or else any other format. Now current latest Excel format, old Excel format, as a template, as a binary book, or as a notepad. That means we'll say tab delimited. That means each and every column will be separated based on tab. CSV, instead of that also will support or can be opened on notepad. Okay, so the column means line will not be dropped, uh, which will make difference between this is one column, this is one column, means that comma will make the difference. Clear? So now I'll save. I will just create as a PDF. So create a PDF, create PDF. I'm saving this PDF and documents as MCC, publish. It will take some time to open. Please respond. We are on 6 pages. It may take some time to export it. Now it's publishing. See here, PDF. MCC.pdf, the Excel file has been converted into PDF. So this is how you can convert file X, you can do. Then publish. Publish means whatever Excel you have, you can publish that Excel to where? Power BI. Power BI is also a business intelligence. That is nothing but used for data analysis. Data analyzing software. Okay, same advanced level. In Excel, basically we use MIS reports and all. So it is slightly still advanced. Which one? Power BI. Okay, so you can share any data from Excel to Power BI directly using this option because both are Microsoft product. Excel also Microsoft product, Power BI also Microsoft product. Then finally close. When you click on close, only currently opened workbook will be closed, but not the application. Application will be like that. Most of the people will close each and every time the application. Not required. Just close the workbook. If that's it, you're going to shut down means then you close the entire program, entire software. Until that, you just close the workbook and open. So the RAM will be consumed less. So next, we are going to enter into home tab. So I'll just take the existing document what we have. I'll remove the passwords. Save. So now home tab. First option what we are having is clipboard. What is clipboard means? Graphical presentation. You would have seen this word many places in mobile phones and all. Whenever you long, you'll hold and copy some text. In long press, you'll get option, right? Copy the text. You will be having a message saying that copy to clipboard. You'll be having a message saying that copy to clipboard. What is that clipboard means? Very simple. Whenever you copy or cut a message or text or picture, anything, until you paste in one more place, I copied an image or I copied a text from one place, and until I paste that in one more place, somebody has to hold that copied content. The person who holds the cutted or copied content from one place until I paste, the person name is called as clipboard. Clipboard will hold cutted or copied content until the system restarts. Holds the cutted or copied. You can see in mobile phone also on the keyboards. There will be mobile phone keyboard. There will be three dots. When you click on the three dots, you can see option called as clipboard. When you click on that, you can see recently what and all you copied. And not only contents, that means text, pictures also in laptops, desktops. Okay, not in mobiles pictures. On mobiles only text. It's holds cutted or copied contents until the system restarts. That is in the system I'm saying mobile phone be it may be there for around 15 to 13 days also. I don't know exactly mobile phone. But system until it restarts, it will be there. It holds the cutted or copied contents until the system restarts. Okay. And how many in Excel, how many items that clipboard can hold? That means in Excel, clipboard can hold up to 24 items. MS Office, not only Excel, totally for MS Office, a clipboard can hold up to 24 items. I'll just show you. See here, I'm writing a content here. First, I'll enable the clipboard here. See, they're saying see all the items you have copied to the clipboard. So just click on this arrow mark. Just click on the arrow mark. Some already what I copied is there. I'll just clear everything. Where you need to clear here, exactly here. Click on that place. Clipboard has enabled. Select the content, copy. So it has gone to clipboard. On the right side, you can see in this place, whenever you copy or cut, in this place, you can see a message saying that how many copied out of 24. Copying one more. Yes, watch in this location. That here. Copy, Control C, 2 of 24. So 24 items should be collected. So what is the one more advantage means? If I go to Word, MS Word, and I type something here, I copy that, Control C, that also will be added to the clipboard. And whatever I copied in Excel, that you can see here, and you can insert here, because this clipboard is common for MS Office. From Word to Excel, Excel to PowerPoint, everywhere. Done? Now, again, I'll click on the clipboard, clear all or paste all you can do. So now I'll go back, don't save. So hope you understood what is clipboard. So you have in your mobile phones also clipboard. So I don't know how many of you have checked, but it is there. So is it clear for everyone? Is there any doubts on that? No? Okay. So now next concept you're going to see how to use copy and paste. Don't think. How many of you know copy paste? How many of you know how to do copy paste? In Excel. In
Uh,
Excel. Generally everybody knows in Excel.
oh,
I hope more all of you knows things like you know right how to copy and paste. Okay. But in Excel,
yes, yes.
there are two different type of copy, 14 different type of paste option. Yes. Any doubts more? In Excel, there are two different type of copy and you can paste in 14 ways. That means I have a content. I can copy the content in two method and I can paste the content in 14 methods. Done. Now we are going to see how to do that. Done. So first I'll prepare a data for that. See what I'm doing. I am clicking here 1, enter, 2, enter. I select 1 and 2. I'll drag up to 9. Only up to 9. 1 and 2. Select that board, drag up to 9. How to drag, how to drop, how to move. So this and all we have seen in the last class. Okay, in the 10th cell, press Alt equals or else use the shortcut key Alt equals or else you go and click here auto sum. Auto, press auto sum press enter. So I am doing like this. From this to this, I have numbers, and here I have formula, numbers and formulas. And these three I'll select. I'll give the option as currency. Three cells I've selected, and this place I made it that as a rupees or currencies. That is dollar. Clear. Then I'm selecting all. I'm applying background color on here, and I'm applying text color here. So why I'm doing all this thing means I want to show you that 14 options. So that I'm preparing the data here now. Okay. And then borders. So as of now, we have general record, we have currency format, 2 and 3 we have formula, 4 background color, and 5th is text color. Okay. And I'll increase the border, that means column width I'll increase, that is 6. So totally 7 options we need. So background color, text color, currency format, that means number formatting. We'll say number formatting. The third is number formatting, and fourth is formula, column width, and borders. Anything is missing? Number, currency, background color, text color, borders, formulas, and column width. Yeah, totally 7 are there. Okay, so now I've increased the column width also. Background. Now what I will do, I'll just select the entire content like this. Control C, copy that. Click here. Go to paste. Can you see here? How many options are there? 7 plus 3, 10 plus 4. 14 options are there. Just what I did, I selected all this. Copy, Control C, click here, Control V, paste. After that, you'll have a dialog box like this. Click on this. Click on this. You can have 14 options here also. Or else while directly pasting also, you can take the 14 options. Now, remember what are the changes we have applied. So we will see one by one all the paste option. First one, just copy paste. However it is there, I copied and I have pasted. Second, FX means formulas. Okay, so mainly it will be focused on formulas. I will not get any background color, any formattings, nothing. See here, no formatting, nothing else. Copy and I pasted as what? Formulas. That means in the last cell, what you are getting here? Formula. The main concept, I copy the content, I paste somewhere else. I don't want the background color, I don't want the number formatting, whether it is currency or rupees, whatever it is, I don't want anything. I don't want background color, text color, border, anything. I just want the content and the formula. At that time, I have to use formulas. Then, and next, can you see the symbol? Number formatting and formulas. Number formatting and formulas. So this place, number formatting means which one is, which we have changed the number formatting? Anyone can tell me that? For which are the cells number formatting has been changed?
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6. The number formatting has been changed to the currency. So now the number formatting will be kept and formulas will be carried. So number formatting, that what we changed, and you can see the formulas. Third one, keep source formatting. In the source, whatever the formatting is there, the destination also same, it will come. Then and then no borders. No borders means you will be not having borders. You copied with borders and you are pasting without borders. Then okay, next is what? Keep source column width. So now you'll understand why purposely I made it increasing the column width. What is the width of the column here in the A column? While I'm pasting, I want the same configuration here also. Same column width I want. Done. Then very important option is transpose. In future when you're working, you'll be using in HLOOKUP VLOOKUP concept. When a record is vertical, if you want to change this into horizontal, then we use transpose. Okay. Copy vertical and paste as horizontal. Copy horizontally and paste as vertical. Understand? So it's very important. Don't forget. I have seen many people's who have records are like this. They will try to type in the vertical. They don't know the how to use copy paste because of that. Then, so now is that clear for all of you that first 7 options? First 7 is clear?
So can you please repeat the copy horizontal and paste vertical?
Okay, sure. See, select and control C. I have copied. Click here. After control V, you give, and then you click on this box. Use transpose. Which one? The last option under the paste. Transpose T. Then,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
or else any others? Any doubts? Okay. So I'll go for the another 4 option. Then I'll scroll down. Click here. Paste. While pasting. So there is one common I forgot to tell you. What is a common in all the 7 options which we used in the top means only one. That is formula. In every cell's formula will be carried in every format. So that means I'll copy this again. Control A, Control C, Control V. This all 7 formula will be carried. That is constant. Whatever formula used, it will keep on coming whenever you copy paste in any different modules. But here another three main concept is the formula will not be carried. Other than that, all are same like as above. Main concept formula will not be carried like this. Instead of this formula, what is that value? 45. You can see only the value 45. Okay, I'll just copy that, come down, come to here, paste it here. Then copy here, I'll paste here. Paste values. Now, what is the three options is there? Paste as values. First option you see, no formula carried. Normally, first one is what? Plain. Just copy paste as we have done here. Here only formula will be carried. Here formula will not be carried. Okay. And then values and number format. Values is coming, number format. Values means no formulas carried and number formatting. Third one, values and source formatting. Values are coming. Here, values here and formattings also is coming here. Then now final four concept. First one, formatting. Plainly only the formatting, nothing else. So when you type anything inside, the format will be carried. Exactly how means when I press one, red color, and exactly if I press here anything, red color with currency format. Okay, again I copy this, paste here, paste as link, and I make changes here, get affected here. Paste as link. What I do, I copy that, I'll paste it as link. When I make change here also it is getting changed. That is what paste as link. Again I'll select paste as picture. I copied normal content and I'm pasting as picture. Okay, you can see this. You can move the picture. Now again I copy that and I'll paste this as linked picture, so that if I make any changes here inside the picture also it will get changed. Even it's a picture, inside the picture also it will be get changed. Okay, so hope you understood all the 14 paste options. Please let me know if you have any doubts here. Okay, and let's take one small break. I'll start the session by 7:15. Now the time is 7:11. Again I'll join and start by 7:15. Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so let's start.
Yes, sir.
So next we are going to see what is format painter. So which copies the format from one place and applies into another place. So format painter means which copies the format from one place and applies into another place. So only the format, not the content. Copy paste, content will be copied and pasted. Format, only the formattings. So you know what is the formatting. You have seen example, right? So I'll just take this. So in this cell, what are the formattings are there? Background color, text color, borders, and currency format. Click on the brush symbol. Single click, one time, copy paste the format. Double click, unlimited time paste the format. Single click, one time, copy paste the format. Double click, unlimited time, you can copy and paste the format. First time, single click I'll use. One time, I copy the format. You can see the brush symbol near my cursor. Just click here. Okay, and now automatically the brush symbol has went off. Again, I'll select, double click on the brush symbol. Now you can see it is there nearby my cursor and the formattings are copied. See, still it is there because double click multiple time. Until you press escape key, it will be there. So once I press escape key, then the brush tool will go. So the formatting will be carried same like that. Any headings you did one place, instead of doing every time each and every places, take this format painter, press tool. Click on that, apply there. Double click, one time you take, and where I want all you want to apply the format, just select the range, automatically the format will be applied. And copy. So what is the two type of copies? Select this. One is normal copy and one more is copy as picture. While copying only. On the paste, last we have pasted as a picture. Here while copying only we can copy it as a picture. Copy as picture as shown on the screen. Okay. So now when I simply press Ctrl V, that means paste. You can see the picture. Done. Now you know cut. Cut means removing from one place. That is Ctrl X cut. Remove. Take from one place and applies into another place. The shortcut key here is Control C is nothing but for copy. Just what I will do. Okay. Control plus D is for paste. Control plus is for okay. So these are the three shortcut, very important basic shortcut key. So now we're going to start with font group. I'll take a new sheet. And just I'll type some text here. Select the text. Change the different font style. Okay. You can change any font style that you want. Then you can change the font size 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 like that. The average font size is 8 to 72. Average font size is 8 pt, 8 to 72 pt. Pt means the measurement of points. But least, how less you can give means 1. The least font size is 1 and the maximum font size is 409. If you have a doubt how to do that, means how to enter that. So here inside that you need to click 1 and maximum. When I try to type 410, it will show you that maximum 409. Font size must be between 1 and 409. Clear? Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now same way here I'll mention 409 become too big. Okay, I'll just set it up. Few will say in few places they will be having a standard font style, font size. Okay, standard. Okay, each and every time you cannot go and set the font style and size of that. Instead of that, what you can do, you can set it by default. Click on the file, go for options as we have seen in the last class. Okay, here you can choose the font style, which one you want by default, and what is the size you want by default, and what is the view you want by default. So last class we see one is sheets, right? So here font and size you can choose it here. So once you set by default it will be set. Whenever you open a new workbook, what font style and size you're setting there, that will be only taken here. Then this is increase font, and I click on this, the font size will be increased. And then this is decrease font. Up to 72 you can increase. And decrease up to 8. Manually if you enter only, you can go more than that. And then if I have taken this text, Control B, that is bold. Control B. Now, as of now, one shortcut key I'm giving. At end, I'll give one full of shortcut keys list, which is for Excel. Okay. As of now, you note down at that particular portion. I'll give entire shortcut keys list. Bold. Control I. Control B. Bold. I italic. And U underline. Go here. Control E. Now it is not bold. Now I'll press Control B. Bold has been enabled. And it's slightly dark. Then Control plus I, that is nothing but italic, slightly slope or slant. And then underline, Control U. So you're getting a underline. So next to that, you can see a small down arrow key. Click on this down arrow, which is there next to the U. Here, take or choose the option called as double underline. Okay. Next, borders. Select like this and apply the borders. Bottom border, you'll be having the borders in the bottom. Top border, just a minute. Hello. Yes. Okay, we are talking about borders, right? So top border, left border, right, and just you can see all these options. So it's no more confusions and all because all borders, everything will be bordered. Outside border, only outside you'll get borders. Okay, outside thick border means you have a thick border, and then bottom double border, top single border. So many things are there. Okay, so here draw borders, then you can take borders. And below that, draw border grid. That means grid line also. Done. And again click in the bottom, click erase borders. You can erase the borders. And then finally, line color. You can choose a line color. Any line color you can choose and you can apply it. And then line style you can choose and apply any one line style. And then again I click on bottom and it's the last. More border options here, whether you want outline border, inside border, okay, what type of line style, what type of color. At one shot you can choose everything that what and all you want to give. Clear? So these are nothing but called as what? Borders. Then I'll just select everything and I'll just clear the borders. Erase all borders. So then still you can see the eraser symbol is there. I'll just press escape key and erase that. Select the cell, apply the background color using this and select the cell and apply the text color using this. And now I'll just select a cell, increase font, decrease font is over, and background color, text color is over, and clear format, sorry, borders and bold, italic, underline. So still few tools are there which is hidden. Okay, so how will you come to know means just by clicking on this arrow mark, you'll come to know here. Strike through, subscript, superscript. Strike through, subscript and superscript. So what is this strike through means? You can see this type of things in the online shopping center. Example, and I'll just show you. One t-shirt is around RS 500, would have written, and offer price they would have given like this. For this text, they are selected like this. Click on this arrow mark and strike through. I'm going to strike it. Can you see here? Swap, strike through. And then what is that subscript and superscript? So simple. Subscript means below base, superscript means above base. Subscript, below base, superscript means Okay, so below base means example. Anyone? Most of you know, I think, this option H2O. In this place, 2 should come below, right? So I'll just select only the 2. Go here. I'll choose sub. Sub means B. You can choose that B. Subscript B. You can remember that is for below base. So just increase that to show you. And above base, A square is square, like that you are saying, right? So here the 2 should come on the top or in the 4th, 5th. You are saying, right? Here also. So what I'll do, I'll select only the TH here. Click on here and just give on superscript like this. Only for the 2 also. Then, so these are the 3 options. Is there any doubts in the font group? Font style, size, increase font, bold, uh, underline, double underline, and borders, background color, text color, subscript, superscript, and strike through. Is there any doubts in this concept?
Sir, can you repeat the strike?
Strike through. Okay. Any others? Any other doubts? Okay. So I'll just write some text. Say save. It is nothing but like I'll increase the font size first. Some sense. Yeah. Is rupees of 500 and offer price is here. What you need to do is you just click here, double click and place the cursor inside and select like this. If slightly that is different, selecting only that portion, go to formula bar here, select like this, click on this font options and click on strike through. Okay, so now jeans, this is not the price, this is the price. Huh? Okay, so any others, any doubt? Okay, so now we will see alignment. So next, last class we have seen how to equally increase the height and width of all the cells. Just by how? Selecting this corner, increase the height and then here I'll type some numbers. Okay, top, middle, bottom. Top, the can you see the difference? Top, the content will place at the top of the cell, middle of that, bottom of that. So top alignment, middle alignment, and bottom alignment. And left alignment, E center alignment, and last is right alignment. Left, center, and right. So everything if you want middle, keep middle alignment and top middle also, like this. So these are the alignments, which are the 6 alignments. And then this is nothing but called as text orientation. Text orientation, that means you can rotate the text clockwise, anti-clockwise, like that. Like this, I given a text, select the text, click here, go to format cell alignment, like this. Done. Again click here, go for format cell alignment. Then again go here, format cell alignment. Can you see here? Shrink to fit. Shrink to fit. So wrap text, it's there here, I'll tell you. Merge cells is there here, I'll tell you. So this option will not be available outside. Which one? Shrink to fit. So I'll just show you. In one cell, I just go for any other sheet. In one cell, I have written a text. I written as Microsoft Excel in one cell, which is going out of that cell also. But what I want, whatever the content is there, the entire content has to be fitted within the cell. Inside the cell only it has to fit. So now select the cell, click here, go to format cell alignment, shrink to fit. And so, but it will be small. The text font size will be very small, but everything will be fitted within the screen size. Within the cell. Okay. So now next, increase indent, decrease indent. So just type one word. I'll select that. Increase indent moves towards right side. This one increase indent, and this one is decrease indent moves towards left side. Clear? Now next, wrap text. I have given a heading here. Select the cell. Okay, I'll just give us what? Wrap text. Wrap text means what? Whatever the text which are exceeding the column, it will be brought down. Which are going to the next column space. It will not take the space of the next column. Automatically when the column gets end, it will come down. Then and then merge and center. Merge and center. I'll just slightly come down. First, I'll select one cell. I'll slightly zoom that. One cell. Select both cells. Merge and center. When I click on the arrow mark, the first option is what? Merge and center. For example, in first cell, I'll give one text. So select 1 and 2, both cells. I'll just click on merge and center. Okay, so both cells have got merged and the text has been placed in the middle. And then below, the next option is merge across. Merge across means what I wanted is these two cells has to be merged and these two merged. This two has to be merged. So what I'll do, I'll select like this. So this to be merged as one cell, this to be as merged one cell. You may ask why you can select like that and you can give merge and center. Now all the cells will be merged like this. Okay, so you can ask choose that option. So now at this case, like this horizontally it has to be merged each and everything. So choose the option called as merge across.
So where's
Clear?
the option?
Option is there. Can you see a small arrow mark here? To merge and center. Click on this arrow mark. You can see the second option, merge across.
Oh, sir, I
Are you
didn't
finding
get
it?
that. No, sir.
No, no. Now merge and center. Can you see this tool here?
Yes, sir.
Small arrow mark.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. There you click the second option.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now merge cells. That just I told right. Select totally. You select all the cells and merge. Make it one cell like this. Okay. Then unmerged cells will be taken to the normal position how it was there previously. Okay, so is that clear? The alignment group of top, middle, bottom, left, center and right, text orientation, shrink to fit, increase indent, decrease indent, wrap text, merge and center, merge and across. Is that clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Just taking the attendance now. So what is the entire strength of your class? So which what supposed to be attended to the class? What is the total strength of the class?
So,
How many
so
members?
46, I guess,
46. Okay.
total.
Yeah. Okay. So whoever attended last class. So up to whatever we have done today, remaining this one will continue in the next class. After attendance, if the time is there, we'll continue. Okay, number formatting and conditional we will see in the next class.